In this video, I am going to talk about top 13 free on-demand certification courses. These all courses are offered by CloudxLab. All of these courses are really expensive, but you can do these courses totally free till January 31, 2021. So let's see what are these 13 free certification courses that you can do here. The first course is Machine Learning Specialization. The basic price or regular price of this course is $557, but now you can do this course totally free, and it is totally 170 hours training courses. The second course is Data Science Specialization. The price of this course is $697, but right now you can do this course totally free. Third course is Big Data with Hadoop and Spark. The regular price of this course is $397. Now it is totally free. It is 60 hours training course. Next course is DevOps Specialization. It is totally a $700 course, but right now it is free. Next one is Deep Learning Specialization. Regular price of this course is $497. Right now it is free. Next one is Python for Machine Learning. Regular price of this course is $97, but now it is free. Then again, next course is NLP Specialization. Regular price of this course is $349. Right now it is free. Next course is Computer Vision. Regular price of this course is $349, but now it is free. Again, it is Python for beginners. The regular price of this course is $76. Right now it is totally free. Then Artificial Intelligence for Managers. The regular price of this course is $330. Right now it is free. And here next last course is Machine Learning, and the regular price of this course is $279. Right now it is totally free. So all courses. Then again, Big Data Engineering with Hadoop. The regular price of this course is $230. Right now it is free. And the here last course is Big Data Engineering with Spark. The regular price of this course is $230. Right now it is free. So these are the 13 courses you can do from here, and you need to do these courses before January 31st. So enroll any courses, you just need to simply click over here, view details, and here you can see the course description. This course include 18+ projects. There will have 240 days lab. Already 15,525 students did this course. So the key features of these courses, you can go through everything about these courses. So okay, to enroll this course, you just need to simply click over the enroll button. Okay, then you need to scroll it down here. Then here you can see enrollment options. If you'd like to do this course only, then you need to select your enroll now button. Then the price of this course will be $0. But if you want course plus lab plus certificate, then you need to pay $399. It is a discounted prices. So you don't need to have certificate, you need to learn. So you can do this by simply clicking over there, enroll now button, the first one. Okay, then they'll ask you to create an account. You just need to simply click over there, create an account. Then they'll ask you to sign up here with Google. So when you sign up with Google, then you'll be able to enroll these 13 courses. So these are really valuable courses. So please try to do these courses to enhance your knowledge and skills. Check the video description to get the link of this course.